Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay the Moto Marauder back again with another video. Hope you guys are having a great time. And as you guys can see from the title of the video, man, we have been doing well recently, to be honest, man. I've been, after the last little bit, I was feeling in a rut, but now, hey, we're back. I feel good, man. As you guys saw from the last video about dealing with anxiety and stuff, yeah, I've been working out more, getting back in shape. Right now, I've in total in the last month, in the total of a bit over a month, I've dropped 20 pounds so far. And it feels amazing, man. I'm back in shape, feeling good. I can see more definition in my muscles, in my body, and just feels amazing. Feels amazing, guys. Yeah, we've just been out and about. I've been in a rut for, like, honestly, it's been a little bit, man. It's been a couple of months, but hey, we're back. We're on the bike. We're on Yamaha Rama, man. And it's a nice cool day, man. It's been honestly guys, these September days have been much cooler. It's nice, but I need to get another jacket, man. The Icon jacket's nice and all that. It's still a little tight on me. This jacket is ventilated, so it's nice, but it gets cold, man. It gets cold. I should have turned here. Oh well, we'll just go in a straight line. It's fine. Nothing to do right now. Got off work early and we're just cruising around, man. Farm fresh eggs, I should get those sometime. But hey, we're out and about, man. I have a bunch of vacation days booked off for the next 2 months, for October and November. I didn't use them all year because I've been planning to, and I still plan to go on my international travel trip. You guys know that, as you guys know that a little while back I got hit with a travel bug. I've been saving up, and I book these days in advance in case I decide to, on a whim, go travel travel internationally for like a week or two. So I have these days booked off. And yeah, it's been a good time just cruising around. Hope you guys, hey, look, these horses. Those horses there, but I got my metallic horse right here, man. This bike's been good to me. I need to go book a service soon. It's almost been a year we've owned it. I haven't done a single oil change yet, and I commute with this. Really bad on my part, guys. Don't do what I do. Holy guys, look at that house. Look at that house. That's a nice house. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that was nice. Anyways, yeah, it's been a good time, man. It's been a good time. Just enjoying the weather, just going out on rides. As you guys know, I ride alone. I don't have many riding buddies, and those that do, they're a little far out. They're like an hour and a half far out, and we don't really get time to plan rides that much. I went to a couple of meets, and in the summer I didn't really record much. I was a bit awkward with them. I didn't know many of the people there. I don't know how they would react to me just recording. So I just did what I did, man. Just had some fun, met some people. Oh shit. Wait for that person. That kid was behind me for a while. I wonder if he's okay. I wonder if he's okay. What's smelling, man? Something smells like it's burning. Hopefully that's not my bike. I was going to get a better mic setup soon. I've been meaning to get that. You know the DJI Action Osmo 2, 3, and I think the 1 and the 4. I don't know how many there are now. I think like there's 5 now. There's this mic adapter piece you can put on, so you don't have to do a secondary mic kind of thing. That I have right now. My microphone is connected to a recorder that's in my pocket. it's not connected to the actual video footage that's coming up. So after I record everything and put on PC and sync it up, I won't have to do that. Like, I won't have to do that anymore if I get that piece, and I think that would be a better, just streamline my stuff, so I don't have to carry around this voice recorder in my pocket, and I can put it in my back pocket or in my backpack to record the exhaust audio for those POV shoots that I do at times. So right now I have my mic in my back pocket with the zipper a tiny bit open in my waist bag. I say back pocket, but I have it in my waist bag. It was over here. Oh wait, no, it's not here. It's over forward a little more. Last time when I was on here, I told you guys there was this little lake that I want to see, and I think we're gonna go see that today. I didn't go last time. I went around on the highway and just ended up going that way instead. This time we're gonna go on the lake and we'll see. So yeah, we're having a good time. Just enjoying the weather, man. And yeah, I need a new jacket. This thing, the Velcro on this is getting old, and now it doesn't stick that well. Ay, guys. Ay. I should not be doing this with just one hand, but hey, why not? I forgot honestly how long this road is. The last time I was here was when I got pulled over. I didn't see cop on me, and I was having a little bit too much fun with the quick shifter. And yeah, I'm gonna leave that for another day. I might honestly put up a reel about that. It's been a while now that all the thing for me is like, oh okay, that's all right now. But that was the first time I had ever been pulled over by a cop. Like, I had the Marauder for like 2 years. Nothing happened on that, but like within like the first 2 or 3 months of owning this, I get pulled over. And honestly, yeah, I was having a bit too much fun with the quick shifter. Not bad. There's too many bugs now. It's September, it's getting cold, there's still a lot of bugs. What the heck? Alright, so I think it's right here. We take a left right here, and there should be a lake. There should also be a temple here as well. I'm not Hindu, but there's a Hindu temple here. But I also heard there's a lake nearby too. It's surrounded by a lake. This is our airport, just so you know. This is the airport, the runway and all that, and apparently there's a lake right beside it. I honestly want to see if there actually is. The lake is behind all these buildings. Like how this like lakefront properties kind of thing. That was honestly suck. Albert Memorial Park. Where's the park? Over here? Albert Dyke. There's an actual park here? What the heck? There's an actual park. Why did I not know about this park? I've lived in this town for the majority of my life and I did not know there is a park right here. What the heck? Also want to see where this goes. Do I actually want to go in and see? Do I want to? I honestly want to see if there's a park here. There's an actual lake right there. What the fuck? Was he telling me to rev? There's literally a park, Walmsley Lake. There's literally a park that I did not know about, and I've lived in this town for the majority of my life. What the heck, man? I want to record more of the lake, but I also don't want to go because I feel weird just standing with my helmet on. What the heck? This sounds pretty cool. I should honestly bring Ava here. It'd be pretty dope. They're fishing too. What the heck? Albert Dyke Park, huh? Be weird, man. There's a guy with a bike helmet just was walking around down to the lake. Like, what the heck? But hey, man, I'm not gonna go into the lake itself. Huh? Just a mini little lake that goes far out over there, probably the whole length. What the heck, man? That's pretty cool. All right, that's enough for me. Let's head on back. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here, man. I don't know how much more exciting it's gonna be, but I'm gonna end it here. We'll just see what happens. If more happens, it happens. Also, don't want to lose my bike spot, so we'll just end it there and see how it goes. So, with that being said, guys, if you guys have a good time, and I'll catch you on the next video. Alright, it's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, with Yamaha Rama, bringing you guys to other parts of the town I've lived in my entire life. I didn't really know there was a park here. Alright, see you guys later.